Hey everyone! Today I'm tackling some of the biggest myths about artificial intelligence. Let's dive right in. Myth number 1. AI is going to take all our jobs. The reality? AI is designed to assist, not replace. Sure, some tasks will be automated, but new jobs will also be created. Think about how the internet created jobs we couldn't even imagine 20 years ago. Myth number 2. AI is smarter than humans. Actually, AI excels at specific tasks, but lacks the general intelligence of a human. It can't beat you at chess, cook you dinner. It's great at pattern recognition, but it doesn't think or feel like us. Myth number 3. AI will eventually have human emotions. This one is straight out of sci-fi movies, though AI can simulate emotions to some extent, but it doesn't actually experience them. It's all code and algorithms, not a beating heart. Myth number 4. AI is always objective. Believe it or not, AI can be biased. It learns from data, and if the data is biased, the AI will be too. It's crucial to ensure diverse and fair data sets. Myth number 5. AI will take over the world. Relax. AI is a tool created and controlled by humans. It's not some rogue entity plotting world domination. It's here to help us solve complex problems, not create them. So there you have it. Some of the biggest AI myths debunked. Remember, understanding AI helps us use it wisely. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.